Hello people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So today I'm back with another product review. I'm here with my hubby and I have a mirror so him can like plug it in and we can test it together. This product is from a company called Alljoy and it's an electric heated blanket. The size is 50 inches times 60 inches and it's in the color gray. So it's 10 heating levels, 4 times settings, auto off. Oh, that's good. So I guess even if it get hot, like so you fall asleep with it, it will turn off. Love that setting there. And overheat protection. So sounds good. Let us open it up and see what it's giving. All the information to their website will be in my description box, so check them out. The link to their website, the link to this product, and also if you buy this blanket through me, you will get 20% off. Use my code, it's also in my description box and I'm gonna put it on the screen as well. So this is it. Alright, let me read first. So we got a card saying VIP Alljoy, and this is the manual to the blanket. So this is basically telling us how to use the blanket, and this is going to come in really handy. So the blanket feature, so you have a power card, a blanket connector, a control panel, a control connector. So they're telling us about the temperature selection, using the blanket, auto offsetting, troubleshooting, preheating your blanket, plugging in your blanket, and cleaning and maintaining the blanket. Warning, never dry clean or use bleach. You see why these are important. Before washing, disconnect all cards. Do not submerge cards or control unit in water. Alright, so this is them telling us how to use it. So if you buy this heating blanket, please to read the manual. So let us get into it. I really want to feel it. It's soft. Love that. And this are the, oh there, see here, the settings. So this is it. It have like a power button, a timer, and a temperature control on it. Here. And it's big and it's soft. I love that. Love that. I'm not sure if I mentioned the size of this blanket. It's 50 inches times 60 inches. Alright, so we're going to test it. This is going to come in really handy, especially now in the Christmas season. I'm going to love the length of the card. Anyway, we're staying at the house, we can use it because we have a socket near the sofa, we have a socket near the bed, so love that. So this is it. This is how big it is. So me and babe can fit underneath it. And I love the color. I love that it's gray. So let us plug it in. You get some more instructions, or probably just warning instructions on it. Instructions. And I love that they have the control, the adapter. Well, this wouldn't be an adapter, but it connects to the blanket. I love that they have it at the edge and it's not in the middle.
So you can come up?
No, it allows the blanket to heat up.
So when it's washing on the machine, whatever.
Oh, yeah, they did mention something about removing. Or That's a very good question. Oh, wait, babe, see there. Yeah, you remove it. No, wait. Do I remove it?
Read the manual.
Yeah. We need to read the manual. We need to read the manual. Manuals are really important. Do not tuck in weird area of the bedding. Do not allow the cord to be pinched. Do not use pins. They might damage the electric wiring. Keep the control. You come off? Keep the control away from drafty areas. Alright, I need to see the part where I was reading it. Where is it? Plugging in the blanket. Alright, we're going to plug it in. So we need to know this. You have to plug the control connector in the blanket connector.
But it come like that.
Oh, so babe, I must that then. It come out, guys. So that means you need to remove that when you go wash it in the machine. Yeah. Plug the product into a 120 volt AC electric outlet. Temperature control. Press the on and off button to control the panel. The display will pronounce it to me.
Illuminate.
Yeah, the word there. And all icons will be displayed. Okay. Alright. I think I've gathered enough information to start this bad boy up. So let's just do it, babe.
Right.
And the best part is when it get too hot. So babe, I plug it up back. When it get too hot, it turn off by itself because it have a auto, what's the word? Auto off and overheat protection.
Plug in?
Yeah. Pull it up. Okay, so you have L for low. Let me give you a close up. So this is what it looks like when you plug it in. So these are the temperature control settings displayed on the screen. It's a heat up?
Nothing.
I love that the control thingy is straightforward though. Love that. Alright, so we're gonna put it on the highest one. Them say how much level? 10 heating levels. It's a heat up, baby. You feel it?
Let me on that way.
Feel right there, sir.
Wait, excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, it happens subtle.
Well, and may I turn it up, make it go fast. Alright, it hit 8. Wait. It a do?
I put it on 8, yeah.
So guys, we'll have it on 8 now.
Okay.
You feel it like it warm? Thank you so much, Alljoy, for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate this product. Yeah, it's getting warm. Oi, come babe. Come go underneath it.
This is something I could use in a wilderness.
And where they go get socket in a wilderness?
Power bank.
But them say you can use it for 120 volt and you have some voltage. You have some power bank will come with socket. That is that amount. You can plug it in.
You want to know for real?
Yeah, and inside it have some little wires.
Most basically the wire strips them and get the heat itself.
Oh, so if you buy this product, remember to play around with the settings and set it to what you want it to be.
First, yeah.
But just saying, you fall asleep, it will turn off by itself. So I love that. That's a bonus. It's warm right now. Make a play around with the settings and see if I can get it warmer than this. Alright, so this is 4.
4. Look like a timer though.
Timer? Oh. Alright, so this is 4. No. Oh, no, it's H.
High.
So H for high and L for low. So it's up on high now, guys. So we'll wait.
Wow.
Yeah. It's warmer than before.
Mm-hmm.
This nice. I love this. Ignore me guys. I just try out all of the modes them to see how they feeling.
It's a nice thing to have.
Yeah, this is a really nice thing to have. Love it. Love, love, love it. High feels really good. Feels so toasty and nice underneath it. So if you're from somewhere that is cold, I recommend that you get this product. It's really nice. It's from a company called Alljoy. So check them out. All the information to their website will be in my description box. The link to this blanket as well will be in my description box. And if you buy this product through me, you will get 20% off. So use my code. I'll put it right here on the screen, and it will also be in my description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road
100K.
Yay!